Cooling temperatures tonight with the rain moving out. We'll fall down to the mid to upper 40s, way above where we should be for this time of the year. But with the wind blowing around, it will be chilly tomorrow morning. It'll be lots of sunshine returning back tomorrow. Temperatures get into the mid to upper 50s in the upstate. But with that wind blowing around, you'll still want a jacket out and about. For the mountains, that wind will be howling. We're talking about mid 40s at best, 15 to 20 mile per hour sustained winds with gusts even higher. Look for a high of 59 in Greenville, Spartanburg, and Anderson, 49 in Asheville. With that wind blowing around, though, I want to show you that. Let me show you how we clear things out. So we've got the rain right now. That'll continue off and on as we go into the evening hours. By around midnight, we've got a line approaching from the west. This will be the actual front pushing through the area here. It has some heavy rain with it, maybe a clap or two of thunder. Lightning not really prevalent in that right now, but it's certainly possible as this last batch moves on through. Once it does, 1, 2, 3 a.m., we start to clear things back out rapidly behind it. Cold air punches in, and that could be enough for a few mountain snow showers in Madison, Mitchell, Avery, Yancey counties up toward the mountains north of Asheville. Then the wind picks up. All of us will experience a very high wind tomorrow. Let me show you how that begins to grow. So the gusts grow into the overnight hours. It'll be breezy by the time you wake up. 25, 30 mile per hour winds in the upstate for gusts. In the mountains, watch this. Those gusts get up to around 40 miles per hour in Asheville and Hendersonville. You see the ridge tops up through Boone, Banner Elk. There'll be 60 to 70 mile per hour gusts. That is some intense wind. Once that moves on through, we start to settle things back down going into the weekend. As far as the temperature outlook is concerned, look at the big warm up going into Christmas week with the Northeast being normal or cooler than normal. We're right on that cusp of being just above normal. Let me show you what we're looking like. So we got windy conditions in 56 tomorrow, 54 on Saturday, cold morning at 29. We're warmer on Sunday, but another front moves through. That cools us back down to the 50s for Monday. We'll be a little cool on Tuesday as well, but look at Christmas Eve, 68 degrees. Christmas Day, 69. It is going to be a warm Christmas, about 10 degrees above normal. Same story in the mountains. We got lots of sunshine, a couple of cool days here with 60s returning for Christmas Eve and Christmas Day.